Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where we dive deep into the sea of content to find the pearls of truth. Today we're checking out a viral video posted on the YGMAI TikTok account titled "Cleaning Marine Creatures in the Open Ocean: The Incredible Efforts of Divers." And trust me, this one looks wild. At first glance, it seems like divers are doing an amazing job cleaning turtles, dolphins, seals, and even a whale. It's heartwarming and feels like something out of a nature documentary. But hold on, let's zoom in. Look closely at one scene where the diver is cleaning sea animals. Notice the barnacles they're scrubbing? They just disappear into thin water without falling off. That's not how reality works. In real life, barnacles detach and drift away, not vanish like magic. This is a clear glitch, a sign the video isn't real. Also, the water in the video looks too smooth, almost unnatural. Real ocean water has ripples and movement, but here it looks digitally enhanced. Check this scene with the seal. The diver's hand actually passes through the seal's body. That's impossible in real life. But in AI-generated clips, such glitches happen because the simulation doesn't model physics perfectly. Now here's the big reality check. Cleaning whales like this is basically impossible in real life. Whales are enormous wild animals, and approaching them for cleaning would be dangerous for both the humans and the whales. Whales naturally shed skin and parasites over time, and certain fish species help clean them naturally. Human intervention is extremely rare and only happens in special rescue or medical situations, not as a regular cleaning routine. So this scene is pure fantasy, not reality. All these glitches prove that this video is a piece of AI-generated content, not a genuine marine conservation effort. The creators posted it without credible scientific sources. This is why it's so important to look deeper before believing viral content. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to D Reviews, and share this video so others can learn to spot AI tricks. Remember, in the ocean of the internet, not everything that glitters is fish-friendly.